Question 6 is a long question with formally some of mathematical induction. So first you need to let Pn equals the requirement 5 2n minus 2 3n equals divisible by 7, so 17 times m. So m also belongs to sepus. And then first we have to check is correct for n, so 1. So consider n equals 1. So left hand side, and then equals 5 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power v. 25 over 8 bingo 17. So 17 times 1. So correct. And then assume it is correct for n equals k. It means that 5 2k minus 2 vk equals 17m. M is an integer, and then consider n equals the k plus 1. A little bit complicated. 2k plus 2, right? Minus 2 vk plus v. It is the left hand side, and then expand it, making it 5 to the 2k and 2 to the vk. Okay, so it's 25. 5 to the 2k minus 8 2 to the 3k, nearly, and then you have to make this form, so make it 25 all together. 5 to the 2k minus 2 to the 3k. Okay, and then you have to add 25 2 to the 3k back, and then minus 8 are good. Why? 25 minus 8 is 17, so before is 25 times 17m, multiples of 17. Good. Next one is also multiples of 17, but take the 17 out to make it look better. So it is 25m plus 2 to the power of vk, obviously. This one is an integer, so correct. So by the mathematical induction, this is correct for all n belongs to positive integer. Got it? Good job.